Morning guys! Tara, kape! For today's video, may gusto kong i-share sa inyo and somehow excited ako because may bagong product na ilalabas si Uno Bank. Well, ano naman to? I think ito ay isang loan product. So coming from the internet, may nakita akong nag-post na ito ang sabi niya. Pag ganito po ba approved na? And then nung sinilip ko, nakalagay ito sa taas, your Uno Easy Credit limit is now available. So ano to? May panibagong loan service apart from the personal loan ni Uno Bank. Sa personal loan kasi, cash mo siyang makukuha. Well, dito naman, ito basahin natin. Sabi dito, ready to use for purchases. So, ibig sabihin, gagamitin mo to as scan to pay or i-charge dito sa credit mo. Somehow like a revolving credit. So, tingnan pa natin. So, makita nyo, your assigned max credit limit is blank. Tapos dito, what's next? Visit any partner merchant. Browse products and services from our partner merchants to make your first purchase. Parang nagmumukha siyang product loan. Kung hindi naman siya product loan, para siyang GoTime, di ba? Si GoTime merong more time wherein gagamitin mo rin yung credit limit na binigay sa'yo sa pag-purchase. So, possible product loan and possible na katulad ng more time na installment. Select your payment terms, choose from flexible payment option that fit your budget and timeline. And then, complete purchase, confirm your order from the Uno app. And sinilip ko naman sa Uno app, wala akong makitang ganito. So, probably this is an early access or hindi pa talaga totally ready na i-launch to. And there are only some people na sinubukan nila na ilagay to. Pero kung matitingnan nyo, wala pang nakalagay na credit limit. So, browsing the thread, meron na rin nag-post na ito coming from other cellphone. Pero based on the comments, wala pa namang access yung iba. So, meron na naman tayong panibagong aabangan na legit na loan service coming from a digital bank. Yun lang muna for this morning's video. Again, good morning sa inyo.